Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Typeform with Typeform easy tutorial step by step clearly. To install Typeform, start by visiting the Typeform website. Create an account if you don't have one, or log in to your existing account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Click on the Create Typeform button to begin. Choose a template or start from scratch. If you choose a template, browse through the available options and select one that fits your needs. After selecting a template, you'll be taken to the Form Builder interface. Here, you can customize your Typeform by adding questions. Click on the Add a Question button to see different question types. Choose the type of question you want to add, such as multiple choice or short text. Type your question into the provided field. You can also customize answer options if applicable. To add more questions, repeat the process as needed. Once your questions are set, click on the Design tab. Here, you can choose colors, fonts, and backgrounds to match your brand. When you are satisfied with the design, click on the Connect tab. This allows you to integrate with other applications if necessary. If you want to share your Typeform, click on the Share tab. Here, you will find different sharing options, including a direct link. You can also embed the Typeform on your website by copying the embed code. After setting everything up, click on the Publish button to make your Typeform live. Your Typeform is now ready to collect responses. Monitor the responses from the dashboard to analyze the data. Enjoy using your Typeform for effective data collection. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.